Hi everybody, it's 11:41 and 36 seconds. This is mini number 2 for the Shazam 28 graded 9.6. Over here on the left hand side are the 12 filled spots. As explained in this mini, what's going to happen is whoever comes in first place in the mini is going to get the first 4 available open spots in the main. Those spots are 15, 16, 17, and 18. Whoever comes in second place is going to win 2 spots in the main, the next 2 available spots, which would be spots 19 and 20. All spots automatically get assigned. So let's do our 3 dice. Number is 8, and away we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the final one. 8. Spot 12. Barney Stars comes in first. Tom Malice comes in second. Time is 11:42 and 45 seconds.